I just got this GoPro Hero 8, and apparently the camera doesn't work with Android 6. It can only work with Android 7, so I cannot download the GoPro App, which is needed to upgrade the software or firmware. So I had to use my wife's iPhone 11. So this is the app that you have to download, GoPro, and this will let you connect to your camera. You can store your videos and photos on the phone, or upgrade your software on the camera. Not so with the Android 6. So I wish I had known about this before I bought the camera. I spent half an hour trying to find out why my Android 6 I couldn't find the GoPro app, because it doesn't work with it. So the only app that I found was Quick, which is not the software needed to connect to the camera. So I got a very good deal on this GoPro Hero 8. I got it as a bundle from Best Buy. It includes the headband, the spare battery, the SD card 32 gig, and the shorty selfie stick. So this is it. Yeah, I just learning how to use this. Right, watching a few videos on YouTube, and all the videos are very professional. A lot of the videos, they just have so much information. But so far, what I like about this is, of course, the small size, right? And the voice command feature works very well for me anyway. So all you have to say to turn on camera is choose preference and activate voice command. And to turn on camera, you say GoPro turn on, and it turns on. GoPro take a photo, and it takes a photo. GoPro turn off, and it turns off. So that's very nice. It has a few other commands like GoPro shoot burst, GoPro take start time lapse, things like that. So yeah, very cool. Lots and lots to learn about this camera.